Sometimes you're having a very beautiful conversation with someone, maybe someone you just met, but you look at the time and it's time for you to leave. You don't want to be rude. So, how do you go about it? These are some expressions to help you in Nigerian Pidgin English to end a conversation politely. Come along with me. These are the expressions to end the conversation politely. It dey nice to talk to you. Well, it don dey late. Any which way, I suppose dey waka. Our talk sweet, but I gats waka. I dey sorry to cut you, but I gats waka. I gats wake up early tomorrow. I gats pick up my children. I suppose dey somewhere now. I get another appointment soon. Shoo? Wetin be the time? I gats go now. I don dey late already.